Hi, and welcome to the second part of our series on the use of articles. The is used before definite nouns. A is used before indefinite nouns. But what is a definite noun? Let's see some examples. Take a card. Any card. Indefinite. Not one specific card. It could be any card. Put the card on the table. Definite. You know which card I mean. I want to buy some fruit. Indefinite. Any fruit. The big one. And the one on the left. Definite. You know which ones he means. Have a piece of cake. Indefinite. You can take any piece. Have the sandwich. Definite. You know which one I mean. Open the door. Definite. You know which door I mean. Use the to indicate you know which one I mean. Okay, so we use the for definite nouns, and the meaning of definiteness is that you expect the other person to know which particular individual you mean. Sometimes this is because there is only one individual. For example, we say the American president because at any time there is only one current president. At other times, things are definite because only one individual is relevant. For example, if I say pass the knife, it's because there is only one knife nearby. I hope this has been helpful. Watch our other videos for instruction on when to use a and when to use no article.